In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a minor adjustment in Xero's bank reconciliation. If you've ever had a tiny difference between your bank statement line and the transaction in Xero, maybe a few cents due to rounding, this walkthrough will show you how to tidy that up without creating extra entries. Start by heading to your bank account in Xero and opening the reconciliation screen. From there, click Reconcile to view the list of statement lines that are ready to be matched. Next, choose the specific statement line you want to work on. This is the line where the bank amount and the Xero transaction are almost, but not quite, the same. Take a quick moment to confirm the date, payee, and amount so you're confident you're adjusting the correct item. Now, click Match so you can link this bank line to the related transaction in Xero. In the search field, begin typing the name of the contact or a keyword from the bill, invoice, or spend and receive money transaction you expect to match. When the correct item appears, select it by clicking the checkbox. You should now see that the matched amount is close to the bank amount, leaving a small variance that you're about to resolve. Open the Adjustments menu and choose Minor Adjustment. This option is designed for small, legitimate differences. Think rounding to the nearest cent or a minimal discrepancy that doesn't warrant editing the original invoice or bill. It keeps your records clean while ensuring the bank reconciliation balances. Enter the adjustment amount. Use a positive number if you need to increase the total to match the bank, and a negative number if you need to reduce it. A simple guideline is to think from the bank's perspective. If the bank shows slightly more than the Xero transaction, add a positive minor adjustment. If it shows slightly less, enter a negative one. After you type the figure, check that the difference on the line drops to 0, confirming the statement line and transaction now agree. When everything looks right, click Reconcile to complete the process. Xero will apply that small adjustment and lock in the match, leaving an audit trail that shows the original transaction and the minor tweak you made. A couple of closing tips. Use minor adjustments sparingly and only for small, explainable differences. If the variance is material, it's better to correct the source transaction instead. And finally, review your reconciliation report regularly to make sure these minor changes stay minor and consistent with your accounting policies.